Elevators are a common feature in buildings and definitely make our lives easier. We've been riding them for years and rarely think about how they work or, let alone, the importance of what is underneath them.
The elevator pit is not seen by many people, but it is very important for your elevator system. It is the core foundation for your elevator structure. Elevator pit services are very crucial for your building because they help you avoid safety hazards, fire hazards, and health hazards. Health hazards can come from stagnant water being pooled unnoticed for long periods of time, creating mosquito breeding grounds, and also mold.
The average elevator carries around 20,000 people per year. That's why it's important to properly service the elevator pit to avoid various problems that could become dangerous for its passengers.
Elevator pits are prone to water intrusion because they are the lowest point of your building, which means all water, rainwater, storm water will accumulate there. The water in your elevator pit will start mixing with oil that's in your elevator system. This oil will come from the pit bucket, the buffers, or the submersion pump. Now this oily water must be removed and disposed of properly.
I have worked with TG Oil in various projects in removing the water, and we had a major water intrusion in the pit. It caused a lot of damage, and nobody really wanted to fix the job until a consultant recommended to me TG Oil. That's when I met at the Carlos. He explained to me what he was gonna do. I loved his attitude as I'm gonna make it work. Until this day, from 6 years ago, the elevator pit is still without water.
Oily water is an environmental hazard. High fines and penalties could be administered if not treated and disposed of properly. That's why water recovery and waterproofing must be done by certified and trained experts.
Our technicians are trained at least once a month on how to safely access your elevator pit, on how to remove and dispose of the oily water found in your pit, and how to waterproof the structure. We are EPA certified to transport used oily water to proper disposal sites. In 1 year, we collected more than 300,000 gallons of oily water to be properly disposed of.
TG Oil Services, an industry-leading elevator pit waterproofing company, has the most effective equipment and certified personnel to get the job done.
So the process to performing a waterproofing would be to go ahead and clean the surface area, clean your pit out first completely. Once we go ahead and clean, we look for source of water intrusion. After the pit's been cleaned, and we go to the next phase of inspection, and there's no visible signs of water intrusion, we use thermal technology to find the source of water intrusion. Once we can find the source, we go ahead and inject. Inject consists of creating a barrier on the exterior side of your elevator pit. Once we stop the water from coming in, that's the purpose of the injection, we go ahead and restore everything that's been damaged by your water intrusion. Once everything's restored, then we apply a waterproofing application. And then after that waterproofing application, the final phase would be a moisture application. The purpose is to make it water-free and watertight and avoid as much moisture as we can so we can maintain your metals in perfect condition.
These services can help you avoid costly damages, pass elevator inspections, prevent safety hazards, or mosquito breeding.
Aside from elevator pit, this service can also be used in your machine room. We also provide services in sump pump replacement, check valve replacement, and rust treatment to all your elevator metals.
It's important to find a company that stands behind their work. That's why TG Oil Services offers a 5-year warranty on waterproofing services.
Our 5-year program was implemented to protect our customers and build long-term relationships with them. TG Oil Services is a family-owned company ran by faith. We honor values as love, loyalty, honor, and respect.
To find out more about how TG Oil Services helps you be one step closer to a clean, safe, and smooth elevator experience, go to tgoilservices.com and, of course, visit us at InsideTheBlueprint.com.